everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a hands-on tutorial on launching a Linux EC2 instance on AWS. Let's log in into AWS Management Console. I'm going to open a browser and now I'm going to log in my AWS user account. I put my username and password, enter my password. Then log in. This is AWS Management Console dashboard. Now go to search bar and type EC2. Then click. This is EC2 console dashboard. What is EC2 instance? EC2 instance is simply a virtual server in Amazon Web Service terminology. Now let's click the instance tab. Then click launch instance. Put the instance name first. Stance and then select Amazon machine. Now I'm going to choose Amazon machine image, Amazon Linux 2023. Then select instant type. I select T2 micro. Then key pair, create a new pair. EC2, put the key pair name. Pair 24. Then click the key pair button. Then save it. Network setting. Then create a security group. Tick the checkbox, allow the SS traffic from. Then tick the allow traffic AC traffic control from internet. Tick it. Then configuration storage. Please leave it as is. Then click the advanced setting, advanced details. Please leave it as is. Now go to bottom, user data. I copy user data and paste here. I will keep the user data in video description. User data yum update y means to ensure that all your software packages up to date and perform a quick software update on your instance. And yum install y HTTPD means install the latest version of AWS Web Server. Then review your setting. Then if review your setting, if everything okay, then click launch instant. Now I'm going to click launch instant. Yeah, we have successfully initialize launch of instance. Click the view button. Wait for few moments for the instance to initialize. Please look at status check. It is initializing status. Please wait for few minutes. If we click tick this, we will see the instant details here. Here is the instant summary. We will get the API. Please wait. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to update status. Instant status. Yeah, please look this status updated. Now click open the address. Please ensure that remove the HTTPS from the URL. That's it. You have successfully launched an EC2 instance running in Linux on AWS. Thanks for watching. See you next lecture.